Hey there! In today's guide, I'll show you how to open a new Gmail account or add a new Gmail to your existing ones. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if this helps you. Method 1. Using a browser. Open your browser and search for Google Gmail Sign Up. Click the first link that says Create a Google Account. Scroll down and select Create Account. Method 2. Using the Gmail app. Open the Gmail app. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Add another account. Choose Google. Tap Continue. Select Create Account. You notice both methods lead to the same Google account setup page. Choose your account type, personal or work. Tap Next. Enter your first name and surname. Tap Next. Enter your date of birth. Select your gender. Tap Next. Choose one of the suggested Gmail addresses or tap Create your own Gmail address. Tap Next. Create a strong password. Avoid easy-to-guess passwords. Tap Next. Add your phone number, optional but recommended. Scroll down and tap Yes, I'm in or Skip. Tap Next. Read and accept Google's terms and conditions. And boom, you've created your new Gmail account. How to view all your accounts. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the Gmail app. You'll see all your added Gmail accounts right there. I hope this helps you create your Gmail account easily. Please like, subscribe, and share. Bye for now.